our robot 2 months ago, and this is our robot today. As you can see, it's a lot of changes, completely redone. We remade our robots for several reasons. First of all, at state, our robot did pretty badly, and we wanted to make it better. Second of all, we were burnt out on our old robot. I mean, we had just, we can't figure out what to add, and we're just tired of the old design. And we decided that what we learn is more important than what we win, and even if it would completely and utterly fail, as yet to be determined, we would just go ahead and completely redo it and have fun with it.
As you said, we had changed it from the last time we had a competition by adding bumpers to help it align the brick slot so you can change missions and use tickets.
At the beginning of the year, everyone had a chance to do their own little mission for a rough draft, and we used these flowcharts. Then after that, we all just picked what group we wanted to do, and the group that did the robotics then split into different groups, and then different sections of the table.
We have goals with points per second, and our goal is about 2 points per second, and this is what we refer with the flowchart. And then also to make our attachments easier and faster to attach, we use an axle or 2 pegs.
Our favorite mission to do is right here. It's the bridge, and it's kind of fun to watch, and at least in the very early stages and still kind of now, it's very suspenseful as well.
Right. These are our MyBlocks, and which are basically just concentrated programs and blocks. We use them for just about everything because they're easier to download, faster, and more accurate. Is just some of our MyBlocks.
This year with our programming, we decided to do something new, and we made a sequencer program, which means we don't have to go back to the menu to change programs. It's very efficient, saves time, and button pushing.
Okay, so we used a whole bunch of line following in our programs because it's very accurate and it saves time when you're actually making the programs because you don't have to measure all this stuff out, and it's very helpful. And we can also follow a line for a certain number of centimeters using some math here, and this is a MyBlock that we have, and it follows the line for a number of centimeters, or we can follow until we see a different sensor input or for a certain time or other.
When we built the new robot, we knew we were going to run into some problems, and we learned a lot of new things when we encountered those problems, like those wheels lose their tread when they rub against the walls. Some motors are stronger than others, and it's better to work in the small groups than work in one big large group.
Since our state competition, we decided to try something new, being our engineering notebook. The first half of the book is basically just the team profile, and then the second half is where we documented everything we did every day. So the person would write the date, whatever we did that day, and then who documented it, and the time, so that if someone was gone, they could look back and see what we did that day, what still needs to get done, and what has been done. So it's a book showing everything we did from our state competition till now.
Great.